excited because we in the finish the second and the third place for CFMOTOTRT racing team. Oh! Something unreal, and believe me, everyone, we're really glad to be here in the World Rally Race Championship, the second and the third places. Yes, CFMOTO.
Yeah, that's a nice race, 5 days, a lot of different terrain, we get a lot of mud, a lot of water, a lot of sand, but also some mountains, fast tracks.
Overall, I'm really glad to be here in this rally. This rally is very amazing, a lot of different terrain, everything in one day, so it's a really difficult. Also, I'm glad to have here a lot of very strong other riders. And rally is not only about the speed, but also about the technical preparation, about the body preparation. And I'm glad that we have made our job almost 100%.
I think we proved once again that CFMOTO bike can be between the first bikes, so that's great.